originally the markets were down quite a lot. We have actually ended up pretty flat at the end of the day, but still the oil sector is well below that. It's 0.45% off or 0.5% off. Now, the reason for this has been this dramatic tumble in the oil price. Brent crude is down to over 20-year lows. Brent crude is the sort of international benchmark for OPEC, but the West Texas intermediary crude, the WTI benchmark, that's what the oil price is priced off. That actually, the futures went into negative territory yesterday, and it's all about what COVID-19 is doing to the market. No one's going out and using fuel anymore, so we've got this glut, this oversupply of oil to the extent where, some players are actually having to actually pay people to take oil off them, and that's where you get the sort of negative number there. Now, look, we don't know how this is going to end up, but at the moment, these prices look like they're going to stay well down.
And what does it mean for our big LNG, the big gas companies?
Yeah, look, gas companies, I think, are going to be in trouble because LNG prices are lagging but related to oil prices. So you're going to see companies like Oil Search seeing a lot of pain, Santos as well, all those sorts of companies, Woodside too, possibly making different decisions about the sort of investments that they're looking at the moment in terms of developing LNG. One company, interestingly, Kieran, who seems to have jumped on the news about all this is Caltex. Now, they were just under takeover offer almost by the Canadians, Couche-Tard. The Canadians have walked away because of the COVID crisis. But interestingly, Caltex was a great refiner. If you remember, a lot of those refineries were shut down, which is why we've got this concern about energy security in this country. Now that Angus Taylor has announced that we might be taking advantage of the low oil price and perhaps looking at buying up oil, storing some of it in America, but also looking at options for storing it here, Caltex is your company that could build some storages for you. So you see the shares are up probably about 4% today.
Interesting. Thank you, Ticky. Appreciate it.